Hello everybody. Welcome to my channel. This is Jody. So I am back today with an unboxing of a Crafty Mug Exchange that was organized by EricaRose Creates. If you don't follow EricaRose on social media, I will make sure I link her down below. So she is a fantastic designer as far as scrapbooking goes. She's a great scrapbook class teacher. She's an awesome photographer. She's just absolutely the sweetest person in the world. So she organized a Crafty Mug Exchange for a bunch of us ladies a couple months ago, maybe end of September and October, for all of us to be paired up and then our names be switched, and we you know, talk about some things that we like or whatever, things we don't like, and then we get an awesome package in the mail from kind of like a Secret Santa type thing. So I'm gonna unbox mine. Yay, so I'm excited. So my swap partner is Kathy Drescher. So hopefully I'm pronouncing her last name right. And she is from St. Charles, Illinois, which really isn't that far for me. So let's get unboxing. All right, so some of the things that I told Kathy I loved was the color aqua. I love really pretty teals, aquas, things like that. So I already see lots of goodness. She put some sweet dum-dum suckers in here for me, which I will totally share with my girls. So yay, so dum-dums. Oh my gosh, Kathy, you are fantastic. So I'm gonna pull, oh, this is so cute. I'm gonna pull the mug out first. So the inside of it is a really, really pretty, like, muted aqua, and it says it's not the journey, but who you travel with, and that could not be more perfect. This is so pretty. And the company this comes from is Little Thoughts Old Pottery Company. I'm gonna have to check them out if they're online because I have not heard of that, and this mug is amazing. So it's a nice size mug. Great for tea, coffee, whatever, even soup. So I'm gonna go through my goodies. Kathy, I'm so excited. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, there's so much in here. Okay, so these are little wood tags from Hampton Art. They say thanks, and they're like a, you know, like a wood veneer tag, and it comes with a really cool jute twine. So these are awesome. Oh my gosh, I love these. Oh, these are so cute. These, I think these kind of look like Jenny Bolin from some years ago. I think, or maybe they could be Jelly Bean. I don't know, but they're stinking cute. I love these. Oh, these would be perfect. So these are like little journaling spots. This one says 6. This one says 7. This would be perfect. Our youngest is 6 right now and turns 7 next week. I have a 10-year-old. Wow, Kathy, you pay attention. This is awesome. 1, oh, this would be cute for like You're the One, like a layout for my husband and I. So that's awesome. Okay, there's those. Oh, seriously, these are so cute. April, May, June, August. These are perfect. Oh man, Kathy, you outdid yourself. Important. Oh, these are super cute. These are like, they kind of look like they would go in a Rolodex, you know, and you'd flip through, but these are fantastic. I love these. I actually have some plain white ones somewhere. Well, they're somewhere. Anyway, those are awesome. Oh, these are perfect for my planner. These are from Jelly Bean Soup. These are like little individual Post-it notes. These are so cute. Things to do, urgent, and arrow. Awesome. More planner stickers. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. So there's 2 sheets of these, and there's like little things in here even for like yard work. So this is a rake, there's a bucket, this is a vacuum, an iron. Oh, this is a little spray bottle. Oh, that's so cute. Little houses. Okay, these are adorable. This is a little goodie bag with little paper flowers, a pin, some little cute mini clothespins, some die cut flowers, and a wood veneer like banner piece. This is awesome. Oh, these are so cute. These are Doodle Pops. These are from Doodle Bug Design. These would be super cute on some layouts I have planned for pumpkin picking. So these are cute, perfect. Another Dum Dum sucker. Oh, this is awesome. Crafter's Gonna Craft. It's an awesome, super cute keychain. I'm gonna put that on my keychain today. This is, ooh, a little thing of sparkle rickrack from Queen & Company. That's perfect. My girls and I love sparkles. This is cute. This is a really thin copper glitter washi tape. This is gonna go right here because I'm using that like right away. Some more sparkle string from Queen & Company. This is super cute. And then some more rickrack from Queen & Company. And again, here's a good look at my mug. It's not the journey, but who you travel with. That is so true. This is beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna open some more stuff because she packed this box full. Some more super cute little tags. Best day ever. Happy. Celebrate. Handle with care. Okay, I'm gonna open this up. Okay. Ah, she put more treats in here. This is awesome. So there's like gumballs in here. Or I guess they could be jawbreakers. I'm gonna go with gumballs. Either way, awesome. Thank you very much. I will share these with my girls. These are adorable. Kathy, I don't know how you know me so well, but these are adorable. These are super cute, fuzzy, cozy socks in my favorite color scheme. Those are wonderful. Bring my box back over here. Ooh, some twine. These are some great Halloween colors. So how perfect would all this go together? And like seriously, she got me stuff to like build a layout. So this all coordinates awesome. This coordinates awesome. Celebrate, miss you, hello, hi, thanks, thank you. That's awesome. Oh my gosh. Okay. So she got me like a coordinating package of goodies. So this is, oh, these are both washi tapes by Doodlebug. Okay. So this one has cute little spiders. This one has cute, like, almost like little lantern banners. That is really adorable. Oops, really adorable. This one has cute little black cats on it. Dang, Kathy, you're spoiling me rotten. Okay, this is another one. This has like, you know, like confetti, almost could be like sprinkles, jimmies for ice cream or whatever. That's awesome. It says spooky sprinkles. More Dum Dum suckers to share. And this, oh, I think these are rub-ons. These are perfect. Happy birthday, thanks, I love you, congrats, I miss you. A whole slew of awesome, perfect sayings. And again, it like coordinates awesome with this. So yay, Kathy, thank you so much. I absolutely loved opening this and loved being your partner. So you should get my box from you very soon. And Erica, thank you so much for organizing this. I'm looking forward to the holiday Crafty Mug Exchange. And like I said, for those of you guys who don't know Erica, I will link her YouTube channel, her Instagram, and her Facebook page below. And if you guys have any questions, I'd be more than happy to answer them. Kathy, thank you so much again for all the awesome, awesome, awesome goodies. And I can't wait to share the suckers and candy with my girls and wear my cozy socks and drink out of my awesome mug. So I'll be back soon with another probably process video in the near future. Until then, stay crafty, you guys. Bye.